bearing in mind all the types of terminals, so the inline, seaports, multimodal, can this technology work in any type of terminal? What about those that are very dynamic and changing in nature?
Well, I think for me, what I've seen of this technology is that, yes, it can work at any terminal. As long as you have a container yard with its equipment, which serves different modalities, that's not that the modality is not really the issue. It is the yard and the equipment which we improve by applying this technology. So every yard, as we said, generates unproductive moves, or maybe sometimes I like to say unbillable moves, those which cost and don't generate you any income, because there's still some kind of category of unbillable moves which we do, which is housekeeping to improve the productivity in the next phase. But of course, if the algorithm works well, you don't have to do that anymore. Now, when we've been talking with a few parties over the last few months, year, and sometimes we came to the discovery that they don't have any idea. They know that shifters are a problem for them, but they don't have any clue how many shifters they are producing. For this also, we developed a very simple tool. And if you give us just an amount of basic data, like your traffic flow, your average stacking height, type of equipment, a little bit about your block dimensions, we can easily calculate an estimate of the amount of shifters you would have in your terminal. I think you will be shocked sometimes to see how about the amount. Of course, it depends on the type of terminal. As Pablo said, the transshipment terminal will be different than an import-export terminal. And I don't think it's a big secret for people in our sector to know that especially import-loaded containers leaving via road, which is very unpredictable, in general generates a lot of those shifters. While on a transshipment terminal, it's more controlled and you will have less, most likely. Also, the type of equipment is leading in this. Especially a reach stacker based type of operation generates quite a lot of shifters. So that is about a little bit about the software, whether it will work or not, whether about the dynamic terminals or whether conditions change. Well, personally, I would not be too worried about that. As we work with artificial intelligence algorithms, it's a matter of retraining regularly the algorithm based on updated information so that the system will adapt itself and will then deal in that way rapidly with any changes you are coming across.